I recently watched a video called Sign Up with One App, Earn $95, Sign Up with two apps, earn $190, make money online by a well-known YouTuber. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to take a look at this video and we are going to both react and review to see if it's possible. And then we're going to talk about some potentially better ways that you can make money online. So make sure you watch this entire video, especially if you watch that video, to learn real ways to make money online. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I just recently watched this video where he reveals 5 apps that you could potentially use to make money online. In this video, he reveals the 5 apps, and the 5 apps are InstaGC, they are appkarma.io, Cashkick, Superpay.me, and this other one, Smart App, that he revealed. Now, this video was uploaded just about 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, Smart App research study is closing down, so his video is already not so truthful. But let's talk about these websites in general. These websites will claim that you can make money instantly, and really the money is gift cards, so you're not even getting paid cash in most instances, where you can make money by watching videos and completing surveys. Now, my personal feelings, I absolutely disdain these types of websites because I've gone through this before. When I first started trying to make money online, I saw these types of videos and I thought, oh, well, I can make money doing nothing. I can make money being lazy. I can open up multiple tabs on these videos and I can get paid for watching videos. I can tell you that I've gone through similar websites like these. I've actually gone through superpay.me, and I've made less than $20 total in all of my time going through these websites. So if you are looking for ways to make money online, in my opinion, spending time on these apps isn't doing anything but making the creators of these websites rich. What would normally happen to me is I'd go through and I'd start completing the pre-survey, which would normally take longer than the actual survey. And then either once I got through completing the pre-survey, I wasn't qualified, I was, overqualified, or the survey would cut out and I would never get payment for it. So in my opinion, doing this is not going to make you rich. It says, again, the title of this YouTube video is Sign Up with One App, Earn $95. Now, I've gone through these, and you can take a look at this for yourself. These are the actual websites. They don't talk about a sign up bonus. Look at, if we scroll through here, and the other issue I had with that original video is it's a 12-minute video, and he spent probably about 5 minutes total talking about the other, talking about each of these apps. He spent the other 8 minutes or 7 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes talking about self-promotion. So if we look at this once again, sign up, watch, answer surveys, find great deals, watch videos, surf the web, and they don't talk about a sign-up bonus at all. So the video has a little bit left to be desired. Oh, if we take a look at this one, you earn a 20-cent join bonus. So that's pretty cool. This one, the video is claiming that you could earn anywhere between $95 and $190. This one says that you would earn 20 cents. So looking through 4 apps already, you would earn a total of 20 cents. And if we look here, it says, they paid out 2 million people, or $2 million. Or okay, here, we have paid out our members $4,492,860.94. That seems well and good. However, how many members do you have, and how many members, and what's the average amount of money that each member has received or has earned? It's funny, this right here is a little bit not misleading. It has some implications that there are 2,866 people that have received that $4 million. When you see these two numbers together, you start to imply that they're related in some way. But if you look, they're not related at all. The real question would be, and of course that number is not going to be on here, is out of that $4,492,860, how many total members? Because if there are 10 million members, then the average amount that people have gotten paid out is very low. So that's very interesting, things that you should be aware of. But if we look at this, for the most part, unless you have dedicated months to your months of doing this, you are not going to make substantial amount of money. You could go through and do a little bit of research, click on the About Us and things of that nature, but I'm not going to waste your time. What we can do instead is we can actually go out and find a better way, a different way to potentially make money. And one thing that I thought was pretty cool is a lot of these websites talk about watching videos or watching TV and making money. Now, what we can do, how much can I earn? Interesting. Average earnings per single survey are typically between $1 and $1.50. Members can earn up to $50 per day taking surveys for cash. Some online surveys can pay as much as $10 per survey. So that's important for you to know if you are going to go through these sites. The maximum you're going to earn per day is $50. And so $50, if we did the math, if $100 per day is $36,500, $50 per day, you're probably looking at about between $15,000 and $17,000, a far cry from making very good money and a decent amount of money. But what we could do is we can find other opportunities. And one cool opportunity that I like involving watching TV is simply showing people where they can watch different programming. Now, if you take a look at this right now, I'm in Ahrefs. It's a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords. I typed in simply, where can I watch? And there are 3 million monthly searches. There are 146,000 keywords, and you simply will help people find different shows where they can watch it. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can make money with this. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less. And so now that we have this, we go out and we simply create content. Where can I watch Step Brothers? Step Brothers is a show that's currently on Netflix. And the reason why I point that one out, other than I watch that show from time to time before going to sleep, but this could be an opportunity to promote anything from a VPN. You could promote a Roku or other streaming device, or you could even promote a TV. The reason why you can promote potentially a VPN is, let's say you live outside of the United States, but you want to watch Step Brothers. You would need a VPN, or you would need the person that wants to watch Step Brothers that's outside of the United States would need a VPN to spoof their internet address. And so what you would do is you would simply create content where you talk people through that process. Where can I watch Step Brothers would be your domain name. You could even do this with a YouTube channel if you wanted to. And you say, here's the process to watching Step Brothers. It's available on Netflix. If you live outside the United States and you want to watch it, you get this VPN, and then you can promote NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and then you walk them through the steps. Also, depending on the program, Hulu has an affiliate program, AT&T Uverse has an affiliate program, HBO may have an affiliate program as well. These are all different and better ways where you can make money. And the cool thing about this is that you can make money over and over and over again, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you don't have to constantly log into these apps. The other issue with these applications is you only get paid when you are actively participating in these applications. You have to be online to complete the survey. You have to log in order to turn these videos on. However, when you do something like this, where you answer the question, where can I watch Step Brothers, that the people are searching that information 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if you create a blog post or you create a YouTube video, you potentially can be making money from that blog post or your website in general 24 hours a day in a variety of ways that I mentioned. You could also make money by joining the YouTube Partner Program or Google AdSense if you do a blog. Depending on the size of your website, you can actually move on to other ad networks. So just doing this, going out and finding problems and thinking about the solutions for those problems is going to be much more profitable for you in a longer period of time. Now remember, you can make $50 per day from one of these applications. If we look up the ExpressVPN Commission, Affiliate Program Commission, you can make anywhere between $13 and $36 with a 90-day cookie window. So basically what that means is someone will click on your affiliate link either in your blog post or your YouTube channel, and they will get ExpressVPN because that's what you're recommending. That's what you're promoting. And it just takes one sale to make $36. Whereas you're going to spend all day, 4 or 5 hours, actively working on this. So you spend 2 hours to create a blog post where you answer the question, where can I watch Step Brothers, or you hire someone to do it. And that blog post or YouTube video is going to be working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I can't emphasize this enough. Doing this, where you're creating content and putting content on the internet, is going to be much more profitable and promising than going out and doing these different apps where you are actually having to physically work and getting paid very little in return for it. So if we look at this again, you're going to spend a lot of time, and I didn't see any sign-up bonuses with the exception of the 20 cents that we looked at for this one. This app has shut down, as I mentioned. This one, you are going to be answering surveys, so actively working. You're going to be watching videos. With this one, you simply create content, do a little bit of research, figure out exactly the process, and I kind of walked you through that process, and you can make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by simply creating content. You have the opportunity to make much more than $50 per day. The sky's the limit. If you look at this, 709,000 monthly searches, 7,000 keywords, and you just need a tiny fraction of this to convert. For example, if we just did the math here, so we could take, let's clear this out. We could take 709 and we could multiply that by 1%. So we take 1% there. That's 7,000 people per month, okay? And so what we could do is we could take 1% of the 7,000 people, 7,000 multiplied by 1% again, that's 70 people. So if we had 70 people per month, multiply that by 36, which is the ExpressVPN affiliate, you're looking at $2,500 per month, potentially. And that's just from answering questions and solving the problem. Again, your goal is to link a solution to a problem. We talked about that. Now, going back over to this video that I watched, you want to make sure that you are doing what the gurus are doing and not what they're saying. These gurus, he created a YouTube video, a 12-minute video, and this video potentially can pay him 24 hours a day. So that's where the connection comes in. He's created content that can potentially pay him 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the lifetime of his YouTube channel. That's the type of content, that's the type of asset that you want to create. He's not sitting on a survey app and completing surveys all day. He created this one YouTube video that probably took him maybe 20 minutes to make, or even less if he hired it out. He created the one YouTube video, put it up on YouTube, and walked away. He's instructing you to go to these apps and physically work while he's actually creating content, much like this content. He's identified a solution for someone that's looking to make money online, and he's put together this video, and now he walks away. He's not completing surveys. So make sure that you are doing what the gurus are doing and less of what they're saying. And I think one of the cool ways to make money online is to actually go over to something like this. Where can I watch? You show people how to do that. Now that you know if this previous video is worth its salt or not, hint it's not, click the first link in the description if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.